Hello everyone, welcome to Literature with Rutuja. This is a character of Maurya from the play Riders to the Sea. Watch this video till the end because this video will be little lengthy, but it is a detailed answer and you can screenshot and write answer as it is in your examination. So let's begin with introduction. Riders to the Sea is one act tragedy written by a Irish playwright J.M. Synge. This play is set in Ireland in the Aran Island. It was first performed on 25th Feb 1904. Maurya is the protagonist and the most memorable character in the Synge play Riders to the Sea. The whole play revolves around her. The sea has been destroyed her near and dear ones, causing her mental sickness, and she already seen deaths of her 5 sons and her husband and her father-in-law. And we can see the character of Maurya into the following characteristics. First, Maurya, an affectionate mother. Maurya is an affectionate mother. She loves her children dearly and deeply. She passes sleepless nights praying for the safety of her son, which might be out of the sea. She asks Bartley to postpone his journey because he is going into a stormy sea, but the other name of death. To her, nothing is precious than life of her children's sons. She says to Bartley, "It was 100 horses or 1,000 horses you had itself. What is the price of 100 or 1,000 horses against a son, where there is one son only?" She does not forget to perform funeral rites for Bartley. She sprinkles holy water on the Bartley and clean over him. She is a universal mother. T.R. Hen, critic, rightly says that in her elegiac blessings of the living and the dead, Maurya attended the stature of priestess. May the Almighty God have mercy on Bartley's soul, on Michael's soul, and the soul of everyone who left leaving the world. Next point is Maurya, a pious Christian. Maurya is a symbol of pious Christian. She believes in the power of prayers and ward off evils, and especially death, and pass sleepless nights for praying for the safety of his children. She prays softly for the Michael and Bartley's departed souls, and she says that the Almighty God won't leave her destitute with no son living. She dares to say, "It's little the like of him knows of the sea." So we can say that Maurya believes in her religion. She is a pious Christian. Next point is Maurya, a superstitious woman. Maurya shares her superstitious beliefs with other islanders. She believes that appearance of a star close to moon is a sign of violent storm in the sea. She also believes in the efficiency of holy water. She also shares one common belief that pursuing living man forbids the death of living man. Next point is Maurya, a highly emotional woman. Maurya is a highly emotional, and it is the emotion which steers her whole being, shapes her utterness, and when Bartley tramples her on her solitude, not go to the gateway fare across the stormy sea, she overpowered with the emotion of fear. Almost all speeches of Maurya are emotionally charged. Last point is moving transformation of Maurya. The character of Maurya undergoes moving transformation throughout the play. In the final episode, which death of body his last surviving son brought to her cottage, she creases to the pathetic way, querulous woman, and she always also sees her men folk lost their lives in order to maintain family existence and fulfill themselves. This realization leads her to resignation to her lot, and she sees at last as a philosopher, no man at all can living give her, and we must be satisfied. So this is a moving transformation we can observe in the character of Maurya. Now, a very last point is conclusion. In this way, the character of Maurya in the play Riders to the Sea by Jane Singe is described and portrayed very beautifully. As a writer and as a tragic protagonist and affectionate mother, as a pious Christian and superstitious woman, also as an highly emotional woman. Her character goes on transformation and she is a very strong lady and faces all sadness patiently. She loves her son very much and she was very caring mother. This play gives an idea of ideal mother. Reader feels sympathetic towards Maurya while reading the play. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.